Windows are essential to any home, providing natural light, ventilation, and a connection to the outdoors. However, over time, dirt, grime, and weather can take a toll on their appearance and functionality. For homeowners in Meridian, regular window maintenance and cleaning are key to ensuring your windows stay in top condition year-round. This guide will walk you through the best practices for maintaining and cleaning your windows, keeping them beautiful and energy efficient. Why window maintenance is important. Well-maintained windows not only enhance your home's curb appeal but also improve its energy efficiency and lifespan. In Meridian, where weather conditions can include warm, sunny days, rainy spells, and occasional storms, windows are exposed to a variety of elements. Regular maintenance helps prevent damage. Dirt and debris can scratch glass or corrode window frames. Improve energy efficiency. Properly sealed windows reduce drafts and energy loss. Extend lifespan. Routine care ensures windows remain functional for years to come. Essential tools for window cleaning. Before you start, gather the right tools for the job to make cleaning easier and more effective. Here's what you'll need. A bucket of warm water mixed with mild dish soap or a vinegar-water solution. A squeegee for streak-free results. Microfiber cloths or lint-free towels. A soft bristle brush or vacuum for frames and tracks. A ladder for hard-to-reach windows. Is optional. A specialized glass cleaner for stubborn spots or stains. Step-by-step window cleaning guide. Prepare your windows. Dust and debris removal. Use a soft bristle brush or vacuum with a brush attachment to remove loose dirt, cobwebs, and debris from the glass, frames, and sills. Inspect for damage. Check for cracks, worn seals, or water damage. Address any issues before proceeding to prevent further complications. Clean the glass. Wash with soap or vinegar solution. Apply the cleaning solution to the glass using a microfiber cloth or sponge. For heavily soiled windows, let the solution sit for a few minutes to loosen grime. Use a squeegee. Starting at the top of the window, use a squeegee to drag the solution downward in straight lines. Wipe the blade with a cloth after each pass to prevent streaks. Dry thoroughly. Use a lint-free towel or microfiber cloth to dry edges and corners where water may collect. Clean frames and tracks. Frames. Wipe down window frames with a damp cloth and mild soap. For wood frames, avoid soaking them and use a cleaner specifically designed for wood. Tracks. Use a vacuum or a small brush to remove debris from window tracks. For stubborn dirt, scrub with soapy water and a toothbrush, then wipe dry. Polish hardware. Clean and lubricate window locks, handles, and hinges with a silicone-based lubricant. This prevents rust and ensures smooth operation. Seasonal window maintenance tips for Meridian. In Meridian, seasonal weather patterns can impact your windows differently throughout the year. Here's how to adapt your maintenance routine. Spring. Clean pollen buildup and dust from windows, especially exteriors. Check for damage caused by winter weather. such as cracked seals or warped frames. Some remove dirt and debris that accumulate during dry, windy days. Inspect window seals for signs of heat-related wear or expansion. Clear fallen leaves and debris from window tracks and sills. Apply weather stripping to prepare for cooler temperatures. Winter prevent condensation on interior windows by using a dehumidifier or improving ventilation. Regularly check for drafts and seal any gaps to keep your home warm. Benefits of professional help for windows that are hard to reach or need deep cleaning. Hiring a professional window cleaner in Meridian is a great option. Professional skin. Ensure a streak-free finish. They have the expertise and tools to achieve spotless windows. Handle hard-to-reach areas. Safely clean high or difficult windows without risk. Inspect for issues. Professionals can identify damage or wear you may have missed. Pro tips for long-lasting windows. Avoid harsh chemicals. Abrasive cleaners can damage glass and frames. Stick to mild soaps or vinegar-based solutions. Use the right tools. Invest in quality cleaning tools like a rubber-bladed squeegee and microfiber cloths. Schedule regular cleaning. Clean windows at least twice a year, or more often if you live in a dusty or high pollen area. Inspect after storms. Meridian's occasional storms can damage windows. Check seals, frames, and glass after heavy weather. Conclusion: maintaining and cleaning your windows in Meridian doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the right tools and routine, you can keep your windows looking their best while improving energy efficiency and extending their lifespan. By adapting to seasonal changes and addressing issues promptly, you'll enjoy bright, clear views and a comfortable home year-round. For tough cleaning jobs or repairs, consider reaching out to professional window services in Meridian. A little care goes a long way in preserving your window's beauty and functionality, ensuring they serve your home well for years to come.